So today we will create a score counter in week editor. Okay, so for it first we will go on our week editor page. It's our week editor page. So for a button, first we will create a button. Okay, so it will be creating by a ball. So yeah, let's make it. Okay, so it's a button. Now let's do our another step. So now what we will do, we will first select it like this. You can see how it had came in the inspector path. Now let's make it pink color and click on the make button. So it has been made over here. So now let's see our another step what it is. So our step 2 has been done. Now we will prepare the display. So now let's get started. So before adding the display, first we also need a text counter. Like here we will add the text. Now here we will write score equals to 0, as now it will be 0. Okay, now we will just select it and here also we will give it a name. Okay, now it has been done. Now let's see our another step. What is that? Okay, now we will be preparing the display. So now let's get started with display. So now we will click on this frame and here we will add a script, default script. And first we will need to add a variable over here. So here we will write project dot score equal to 0. Okay, so this is the default variable over here. Now let's see our another step. What is that? Okay, so yeah, now we have to do the prepare. We will be doing the same step of preparing the display. Okay, so now let's do that. Now we will create on this button. We will click and here we will click on the mouse click, and you already know what mouse click works. So now let's do the next step over here. So here we will write project dot score plus equals to 1. So it will be incrementing by each click. Okay, so now let's do the another step. Yeah, now we have to add more. Okay, so here we will write score. Did you remember that score is our text box name over there? Now we will use the method of set text. Okay, now we have to make the blocks. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so now we need a column. Okay, so first do that. Now in this we will write score score. Okay, and we have to make till here. Now what we have to do next is we have to add the plus sign. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Here we will be adding the plus sign, and after that the first was project, giving it a space, project dot score, which was our first variable over that, and after that just this should be work. Okay, so now let's see. So now our score box is ready over here. Just we have edited the timeline. You have to add the mouse click and you have to make like this. Okay, so it has been done. When you will clicking on it, you will be getting the increment in your score. Thank you. See you soon with a new video.